Hey all, Will Healy here in the SME booth at Fabtech, and we had an awesome day yesterday in the Smart Manufacturing Bootcamp put on with the SME. We had so many great presenters. We started off the day with Dave talking about intro and terms of smart manufacturing. Then we had Jonathan Kim talking about the building your foundation. We talked about all kinds of cool smart technologies, like Javier from Newforge came in and talked about AR and smart glasses. We had Mehdi from KINEXON talk about traceability and just amazing things we can do for tracking workers and material through the plant. I got a great opportunity to talk about embracing a smart culture, drones, exoskeletons, and wearables. We had some real world examples. It was really cool. And then I talked about smart sensors and IO-Link and condition monitoring and machine vision. And we talked about lots of different technologies. Next, Casey Greer came in and talked about analytics, and then Mo from IoT Co came in and talked about AI and machine learning, and that was really cool. Real world examples of how you can apply machine learning to different applications in the factory. And then Miguel from AMADA talked about machine connectivity. Jim Wenson came in and showed us some really cool examples of how to use data from your machine to actually be successful with analytics, and it was really, really cool. Jim Wenson from Cinto. And then to close us out, Joe from Ultra gave us action plans, things we can do and ways that we can actually be successful implementing smart manufacturing in our facilities. This wouldn't have happened without Isla from the SME. Thank you, Isla. You were awesome coordinating and motivating. And it was so great to be able to be the smart manufacturing advisor for the SME. I really appreciate it for choosing me, and it was really amazing. And what a great day, what an awesome event, and thanks to all the attendees for participating. And I think what came out of the event, the most important thought, many said it in different ways, but Mo said it best. He said, people, process, technology, in that order if you want to be successful with smart manufacturing. So till next time, think about, what will I automate next?